Welcome back to Fierce Hot Wheel, guys. Today we're featuring something exciting, something classic, something new. As you see, it's new for 2020. Card number 124 out of 250. Special features. Best for tracks. So experimenters, number 1 out of 10. There you go, much better. I had to shut off the flashlight. Anyways, it's a clip rod. The designer of this Hot Wheel is Lindsay Lee. Like I said, it's new for 2020, so it just came out. Well, let's open it. Look at it. Nice red hood with the dollar sign on it, so you can clip save a lot of money on it, you could say. So it's a clip rod. As you see, it has a special feature right here that you can clip it. Feel your imagination and get those wheels turning. Experiment with the worlds around you. So anyways, this is what it is. Sorry guys, kind of not easy to do something with one hand, but that's how it is. You can clip in the money and carry it with you, or you can do it on like a chips bag if you need to, if you're or wherever you feel like it. But here you go, guys. This is how it is. One day we're gonna put a speed test on. I know I've been real busy, but you guys, just want to say this is a RA6 gold wheels, Zamok bottom, or the platform on it. So Zamok edition, you could say, almost. Oh wow, it actually rolls. As you see, I can catch up with it. I like how they not just integrate it, made it flat, but have the engine, you could see it in a V8, you could say, as you see the 4 cylinders here and 4 cylinders there. So pretty nice. 4 mufflers going out. So pretty nice, guys. Black plastic. Not too much details about it, but well, a little bit. The designer of this is Lindsay Lee. That's what it is. So pretty nice how the clip they made as a Hot Wheel logo. So we'll see how long it's going to last before kids break it. But nevertheless, I'll try to put a speed test on it. We'll see how it goes.